find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. .co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing at the Club World Cup in America. We'll be here tomorrow at 6 p.m. Ubobo, Ushane, Ujunior, Utso, Ulindo, Wutle, Wagwankosi. All of us will be here. Myself and Justice Chabalala as always as well. I think Shane is still in Cape Town, but almost a full squad will be here tomorrow to watch that game at 6 p.m. Borussia Dortmund against Mamelodi Sundowns. Now then, Kaizer Chiefs have released to Edmilson Dove earlier this week. He's no longer the player of the club. Second, the other story that was interesting was on Tuesday, Itiski Times reported that there are teams who are looking for Urelebuhile Mufukeng's signature. We also heard from his father that he would like for his kid to go overseas. So in the second half of this video, we'll talk about that. Is he ready? Is he not? You'll hear from Junior about that. Let's start with Edmilson Dove. Thank you very much for joining us. The weather is getting better in Gauteng. That's why we can wear short sleeves and we can cut our hair. How are you feeling, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
Yes, sir.
Just to.
Just.
Yeah, Bulise the outside Benedict Sofia.
So and so?
It's image like on. Ever fetch Winjan keep on supporting Itiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. And checks out on fan of it boy, I think they be first.
Emil.
Yeah, he actually texted someone, another boy was coaching Super Sports School. My kid is playing at Super Sports School. So
nice one.
The last boy so it's the number. So I spoke to the boy. I wish, just to be a good video, I wish the boy the same, like it, whatever is happening on fucking manje. The boy, I think about materializing, so and room good night must go abroad.
Yeah, I think he's been trialing at Chelsea
Yeah.
a couple of times. Mara Abamtembe, we kept on sit. I was so shocked.
I saw go
Ngoba
playoffs.
bamfaka manje kuma playoffs ukuthi le ntwana lebe nayo isizini yonke. You can breed him in 30 minutes every match. Nimbonile futhi ku under 17 AFCON. And under 17, yes, it was the COSAFA first in AFCON. But you don't play him, you don't trust him. It's only during the playoffs that they gave him a chance in the first game, you play off as well. So I think the earlier he can move, Imangabe gonna link in the Chelsea, the earlier he can move to Cape Town City, the better, because they don't trust him.
Yeah, here's the reason it's not about him now. Because it's more or less the Antona Bagaybo.
Especially domestic football.
Nakwanda 20 national ngengambona inzima le yankulu komfethu it's a big lo mfana I play a big team Orlando Pirates Chiefs Sundowns not yes Cape Town City in terms of
time like emnikile about Chiefs.
Yeah,
I
know
now they're going to have to buy him.
I spoke to him cutting brand ambassador le COSAFA the tournament yakhumbula December.
Yeah.
He spoke to me ngithi boy wena ngithandele Chiefs or Pirates or Sundowns
He was offered to those clubs
so that the national can benefit or go to Europe. Iyasho ukuthi mina maningeke ngakuchise and then kwababa bangidinaya ngithi yebo uthi ya empethe inzima kakhulu so just ubuyela back I wish namfana ngathi angalandela mina ngizoqala ngiphendula I think ngibuze
Let's talk about Edmilson Dove. A lot of people, of course, congratulations, well done, thank you for everything, blah, 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 blah. Was he a good signing in the first place? Is it good that he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, for first time, I see Kalenji from the first day and first time. Why Chiefs signed him? Because he was a free agent, released. They never exercised his contract. Yeah. Cape Town City. I got released on my Pirates. Even if nobody got released by Pirates, whereby he was not playing at Pirates, and then Chiefs signed him. I know what the product jabo, no Pirates him keep. And if Pirates they release him, good product jabo, Chiefs made by Chede Unkind. So going back at Milson at Udove. Look at Mangpegi H when he was joining Kaizer Chiefs. Free agent contract was not exercised. When I look at him as a player, pound to pound, one like specific him, I don't understand why Chiefs signed him. But they've been doing that year and year. Ngikhuluma ngama- When the window periods opens, Kaizer Chiefs, I'm not surprised. They've been doing that, I think, since 2006. Since Ted left there, they've been doing that. The scouting sabo, I think it's a big problem. So I'm not surprised, but bekungamelanga bamsayine. Ukuthi asadlalile Chiefs, I think for the past 2 years, udlalile Chiefs, 3 years, yes. He played Kaizer Chiefs for Kaizer Chiefs. I'm surprised. Sometimes I call him a game of big games as a centre back, left back. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm sorry to end the place with Chiefs because the contract. I mean, I'm surprised. So, mind you, with release, they did the good thing. The question is, both sign up and release. Because we are back with Bazo sign more or less the type of player, or even the Western dead. For me, when I look at him,
Wow. Announce Umanko Nomunyane officially, but it makes
saw.
sense now. Ukuthi njengoba ba release wing back ukuthi they might join Umanko Nomunyane.
Leo Marco Ipolelas, one of the best for me in terms of technically. He is developed by Mtaka Sundown City, Siukalile, Alex Tawana Mbonile. It's unfortunate Otto was playing ahead of him. And for me, I believe Vaxi is right with Chiefs. Mina nje ngizosho straight ngibabonile ba announcer just kubuyela kule point ngoba sikhuluma ngaloko manje sikhuluma ngalento kaDove ukuthi bam announce uMarco and then ba release yena uDove. Omunye umuntu angathi it makes sense, but mina I believe ukuthi Chiefs kulesikhathi esikuso manje they could go for a younger player esafuna ukudlala okanye HS side lakhe player that mina for me I will go for this boy unyama lo dlala ku Cape Town City, a left back. Still wanna achieve things. He never played for big team. The bright future ahead of him. Or intwana nje bayithu ziningi intwana if ukwazi ukuscouta kahle ilihlo and then ne coaching yakhe izoba right bebangatholi intwana. So uDove they did a good thing with bam release mara from the first day and first time. Why did they sign him? I think give me plan elikhulu Chiefs eyalenza nje leyo. So I'm not surprised ukuthi ahambe with Chiefs.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. Edmundson Dove was announced by Kaizer Chiefs that is leaving the club. They have not yet announced Umunyane, no Marco, but of course, all roads look like they might replace him with those players from Orlando Pirates. Of course, that begs the question that if they were not good enough for Orlando Pirates, why are they good enough for you as Kaizer Chiefs? But of course, I think that Kaizer Chiefs fans are culpable for all the rot that's happening as well, because they allow everything to happen at the club. They clap hands and they think that Dove actually is their legend somehow. He's been a great servant, whatever. So quality is not the same. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Most fans look at players and they think he's a quality player because, of course, they always have to align their opinions with what their club is doing. And that's why you are also culpable in the rot that's happening with the club. So on Tuesday, Itiski Times reported with our Itiski Times e-paper on WhatsApp. It's available and it's also available digitally as well, that there were clubs that were looking for Urelebile Mofokeng. Some of those clubs are in Israel, although there is a lot of tension that's happening there with Iran, so he might not go there. There's also some links as well with Europe. His father as well spoke to SABC Sport or Kickoff, one of those two, and he said that he would love for his kid to play overseas for an overseas club. Relebohile Mofokeng is probably the best South African player who plays in our league. The best South African player who plays in our league. He plays for Orlando Pirates. If Orlando Pirates wants to win the league, I'm sure they're going to want to keep him. My question then to Junior is, will we see Relebohile Mofokeng this season? Does it look ready to go overseas? Take it away, sir.
Yeah, uyamali mangabe uzodlala kule uyadlala i-Euro final. Bayodlala i-Champions League semi-final. Away and home, I perform the same. Week in and week out, playing amongst the best defenders around the world. City only good has been given a chance. Urelebohile Mofokeng is uncomparable to players currently. Mina ngikhuluma ngegeneration yamanje. I've never seen, after a while, a player ekule age ekuyo. Ama-player performer South Africa, ama-players a second chance to teams. Umuntu utshela ukuthi ukhulele ku-Chiefs and then bamloan ubuya na-27 kanadlala. Khulela ku-Sundowns and then they loan him amakabuya T30 ngikhuluma nge-peak time immaturity kula seka-matured and then uzoperforma to the certain level. The list goes on maningi lawo ma-player. I don't want to mention their name, but Loyana uperforma first season ku-Pirates la ngithi manje the boy fall icathule enzaba bu-Steve bona butso set the standard at the early age. So Nomfana he is counted amongst those players for me because national team player, regular call-up yayichola. It's a PT coach, I believe, kuye lo bafana ukuthi amqalise ngikhuluma ngama-game official. One of the best for me South Africa has ever produced. It's a right turn. Akuna wrong kulo mfana. Umuntu engamcompare naye njengoba ngishilo iyo lo Vet Boy ukuthi angesikhulume ngoVet Boy because this boy has been given a platform in any crap. Yeah, so lo ngesikhulume ngaye uVet Boy, but for me abantu mabangambona uVet Boy live, I think bazoshintsha maybe the mindset abanye abantu or they will confirm lento engikhuluma. So uRelebogile Mofokeng mfethu isikhathi esiright ukuthi ahambe. Umfana kahambe benefit South African football, not Orlando Pirates, not his father, not South African football. Yes, biological family abazali. I'm talking about the parents, umama nobaba. Benefit, but the national benefit. Especially if you can go not in Israel, in Europe. Because I believe you can play in Spain. Barcelona. It's in Spanish football, not England. I know England is mine, it is.
It's the biggest league in the world.
But the way football is along
it's a different type, it's physical.
Yeah, so maybe Women see too long at credit to Pep, well done, English football with the bring Pep. He brought another dimension there. But it's only him for me. So, Manga is Spain. I'm fit to my team that the boy can fit like a glove. Nkuluma senior side, not even if you can play second division lapo. Mhlambe 6 months. Mhlambe if bafuna ukubona mara sign the first team contract. The boy 6 months must prove.
Do you think Pirates will be happy to let him go? Because Orlando Pirates, I think we have to look at it from their angle as well. They fought for the league this year.
Yeah.
They were in the semi-finals of the Champions League as well.
Yeah.
They won the MTN 8. That kid is the best South African player currently.
Ivar.
The best South African player alive currently
Ivar.
who's playing in this country. With all that Pirates wants to achieve, because that was a fabulous campaign, the Champions League, they played until semi-final. Unexpected because they didn't qualify the previous years. And they might want to go back to challenge Sundowns for the league. It's not going to help them if they let him go. That's what Pirates is thinking right now.
Okay, I'm going It's not all about Pirates now.
No, but now we're looking for English.
Yeah.
What they are thinking is, for all the things we want to challenge, it does not make sense for us. They're not even thinking of releasing.
Yeah, Ivar, but we had Steve Lukule stayed a while at Orlando Pirates. He never went abroad. One of the best talent South Africa produced. Jamie Ghost never went abroad. The list goes on. I can mention.
Utso has got an interesting story. We contract. Yes, it's got an interesting story. So we have to respect Lendo. They never want to release players.
But it's wrong.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's
big
right.
respect.
No, I'm not saying it's
I've got
right.
big respect for Pirates.
Yeah.
They've been challenging Sundowns. They buy quality players. They make it very easy for a national team coach. They give younger players a chance.
Yeah.
Well done to Dr. Ivan Khoza. I'm talking about the director, the technical team as a whole, whoever that is there. But now it's not about them. The boy, Agmelanga Kusasa City, the boy, slinded a mistake in South African football. Umfana zoyenza off the field. Can he go and be away home? Get an experience, build the legacy for Umfana, for Yena, from the Noake. He's done well for Orlando Pirates. We need, it happens everywhere, sometimes so, Mina, can the boy leave and set the standard?
Do you remember in 2019? I'm going to bring up another case. In 2019, Lodge, I think he won player of the season. And then he went with Bafana to the AFCON. He scores a goal against Egypt.
I remember.
We beat Egypt in Egypt. From the last 16, we lost in the quarterfinals to Nigeria in 2019. And Lodge, that whole June, Belgium. And he was so frustrated. Belgium. And then, of course, it didn't happen. And then there was a case and so on and so forth. There were circumstances that were keeping him at Pirates, even though he would have wanted him to go. He really wanted to go. Belgium. Every day it was Belgium because he was wanted there because he was performing internationally for Bafana as well at the time and he was the player of the season. So all I'm saying is, me and you, we agree that boy must leave. He's the best South African player. He must leave. It will benefit us. But historically, we know the club he plays for, and I think even Boma Sundowns and Boma Chiefs, when they have ambitions to win league titles, they don't think about other teams overseas. They just want to keep the best players.
into ekhuluma history nathi sibuya lapho. It's a history. It's been happening for many years,
Yeah.
not Spiara. And obvious when you leave, it's like ubafaka 7. La ubuya khona,
Yeah.
yabo. Banama plans, obvious, yabo. But mele bazi as ngishilo, only good has been given a chance. If Pirates siyazi if imnika ngumfana a chance, bengekho abantu abazobuya.
For sure.
And nationals coach Europe bona laba ba interested. Now it's up to the boy to the and the agent nabazali bakho mfana. If the boy goes to Orlando Pirates and sit down and sing, provided now uyayifuna loo nto, yabo ngikhuluma nabazali bakhe, they are very serious.
Well, if his father wants it, I'm sure sebakhulumela.
Yeah, ukuthi okay. In South Africa, I'm not saying something bad will happen to the boy, but can the boy go and build the legacy for himself? Ngicela umfana wami abuye afane noBheni. Athi uyadlala iChampions League umfana. Can he build akahamba umfana yo abe nempilo sustainable. Abe away from home. Ask ukuthi mangi abroad ngiyosebenza. There's no friendship and stuff. Can be away ayospana. Obvious umndeni wakho uzobona nge off season nabo mhlambe whoever give one of the person can go contract that ngihamba naye. But it's going to benefit this boy, and all of the parents, they will be proud of themselves if we can be honest and say we gave a youngster first season he performed.
Second season continued.
Yes, and in big games, not just the Guma game. We're talking about Champions League. He played against the scores.
Yeah.
And against Sundowns, one of the top class team in Africa as a continent, a face of South African football in Kulmang Sundowns. He scores against them in the cup final. So, nomfana ukwenzile lokhu kumele kwenze as a player. Yabo special mabaka introducer. Ma ugiven uyivezile lona. So now with the negotiations, njoba ngisho agent yakhe nomfana mabaka sokhuluma njoba bakayibenshini it means into ekhona behind the scene.
Yeah.
Ekhaya ikhulunywe. So agent mabayi approach abayitshela sit down with Orlando Pirates made him call. For me, I understand about
It will be difficult because they just wanna win the league, and Bona they just care about Pirates. Like most of the time we've seen.
No, if
I think it's recently Lyle Foster umuntu mara zange ahlala na. He was 16 years old. Adlala ku Pirates, he scored 1 or 2 goals and then he left. Mhlambe no Augusto Paleshos helped him in that as well. That's the one I can think of recently. Yeah, Pirates where they allowed him to go. It's not because Begadlale for a season or 20 goals. When they can see that you are useful to them. To them, they're like, hey, we can't let you go.
Yeah, if Aruti Lento Leo Kulma is proven, they never allow Ubaisita. Yeah, when especially to the team, not specific to Orlando Pirates. But now let's think of the human being here. It is it. Some fana can still go on issues, spending 10 years abroad.
For sure.
Still go on Penny Makate. Can we have Lucas Radebe that is being an ambassador forever, abroad? Can we have leadership also bringing experience back to South African football? Can we have somebody, please, in fact, I mean, we get recognized because of these players if they go now. In Europe, there's many players that go by generation, we should chain, because this boy, if you can go to a country, Spanish, for me, yes, Belgium, I'm not too sure. Portugal, yes, as well. Farouk spoke to me about Portugal with Nabobakren, Nabo Praga, the certain teams. Other countries, then don't have the book body. I'm talking about
the first thing they will say.
About body, what? But you look at the body of the person. Ngabe height kancane. Neymar same body. So the boy agavai, just go and make money, my brother. Now it me understand what the boy is going to. Is going to make money kuba nama assets kube lifetime.
All right, I need to ask you one more question.
Yeah.
Justice is panicking with time.
Yeah.
In August, is he still a Paris player? Mofokeng. In August, masivula season, is he still a Paris player?
The way I was proving I'm think it's going to be difficult. I'm finding somebody in Europe. An agent are playing a big role. Somebody I would vampire, true. Mhlambe they've been monitoring the boy. I can tell you now, minamang pega, there's no way you can. Not to say somebody's yes, agent can play with bum push. Lamfana is leaving. I don't think he will stay this season. Orlando Pirates.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's an interesting one with Urelebile Mofokeng and Orlando Pirates. We shall see. Everyone wishes him all the best. He's the best South African player in this country, that boy. Maybe Tebogo Mokoena, Maswanganyi, not far away from them, the best South African players, really, in this country. But Mofokeng is head and shoulders above the rest. Maybe the only player who's better than him is Ribeiro in this country. But in terms of South African players, that kid is the best. But then Pirates, with their ambitions, they might just say, please stay for one more year or X number of years. We see with Saleng as well, with what has happened. So they've shown that they're not afraid to have their best players. Because Saleng now, he was the best performer in terms of number of goals the previous seasons. The minute that he wanted to renegotiate the contract, which is fair, he ended up not playing, and the club went to the semi-finals of the Champions League. So that mentality that's there, ukuthi siyakwazi ukuwina ngaphandle kwakho, nanoma uyi-star, that will not go away, especially in people from this province. There's always this thing of we made you. So hopefully they will be able to navigate that better. The family, the agents, try and find a better way to navigate it. Don't try and fight with the club, because that's a very big club. So it is TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.